Did you know that some YouTube channels are gaining thousands of subscribers even without showing their faces? These videos are not just trending on YouTube, but also on Instagram and various other social media platforms. And guess what? Creating these avatars is easier than you think. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own talking avatar like this.
The secret of a successful business is to combine creativity and organizational skills.
Personal goals, setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART.
Are you curious about the AI tools that can help you to improve your work and boost your productivity?
I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. Now to create a talking AI avatar, we are going to do 4 steps. The first step is to generate the avatar. Now there are many AI tools online to generate avatars, but the best AI tool I found so far is Leonardo.ai, using which you can generate high quality AI avatars just like this for free. Just click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. Now click Launch App and sign up with your Google account. Once you're on this page, to create the AI avatar, just go to Image Generation and here describe what type of avatar that you want to generate. If you don't have any idea, I've given a few prompts in the description below that you can use. So just click on this link and here you will find 6 different descriptions to create our avatar. So just go through them and then copy the one you like. Then go back to this tab and paste it here. Then just edit the values here which are given in the brackets. Like you can specify the style of the image you want. I'm going to ask it to create it in a Pixar style. Then set the gender. We will set it as female, its dress code, and also the time of day. Once you have done that, here choose the number of images that you want to generate. I'm going to choose 4. Now to choose the size of the image you want, scroll down, then click here and select the aspect ratio. If you want to get a full portrait image like this, then you can choose 9:16. Then click here and choose the style of the avatar you want, like whether you want it to be cinematic, portrait, fashion, and so on. I'm going to leave it as cinematic, and once you're done, click generate. You can see that it has generated 4 different versions of the avatar. You can select the one you like. This one looks pretty good, so I'll go with this. So let's download it. Okay, so now we have successfully created our AI avatar. Okay, once you have generated an avatar, we can now go to the next step, which is to generate the voiceover. Using the voiceover, we are going to make our avatar speak like this.
Are you curious about the AI tools that can help you to improve your work and boost your productivity?
So to generate the voiceover, just click the link below this video and it will take you to 𝗬labs. With this tool, you can generate realistic and high quality AI voiceovers using just your text. Also, it has many voices to choose from. Now to start with 𝗬labs, just click Get Started for free, sign up with your Google account, and once you're on this page, you need to pick the voice that you want. So just click here and you will find different AI voices to choose from. You can go through them and select the one that suits your avatar the best.
If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on.
I'm going to choose this one. Once you've selected the voice, just enter your content here. And once you're done, click Generate Speech and it'll generate the voiceover.
Are you curious about the AI tools that can help you to improve your work and boost your productivity?
Sounds pretty realistic, right? Well, you can download it by clicking here. Okay, now in the free version of 𝗬labs, you can generate voiceovers for up to 10,000 characters per month. And if you need more, you can always check out their paid plans. Alright, so now we have generated an avatar and the voiceover. But before we move on to the next step, let me talk about another great tool that we built called GravityWrite. GravityWrite is a versatile tool where you can generate any type of content you want, like blogs, social media posts, YouTube scripts, and more. On GravityWrite, you can get ready-made templates for every content that you want, and you just have to pick a template, answer a few questions, and that's it. GravityWrite will generate high-quality content that fits your needs. It's a huge time saver and ensures that your content is always on point. So give GravityWrite a try and take your writing to the next level. I've given the link in the description below, so do check it out. Alright, so far we've generated the avatar and the voiceover. Next, let's go to the third step, which is to create a video using the avatar. So to do that, we're going to use a different tool. Now to access that tool, just click the link below this video and it'll take you to Wondershare Verbo. Download the software by clicking here. And once it's downloaded, open it. Then click on this checkbox and click install. Once it is installed, click start now and it will take you to this page. Now go to talking photos and here you need to upload the avatar which you have generated to make it talk like this. So just click here, select your avatar, click open and click upload. Then go here and select the aspect ratio you want. I will go with portrait. Now once you're on this page, you need to upload the voiceover which you have generated earlier. To do that, just go to audio upload and click here. Make sure the voiceover is no longer than 5 minutes. So let's click here and upload your audio file. Once it is uploaded, click apply and it's done. Now let's export it. And if we play the video,
Are you curious about the AI tools that can help you to improve your work and boost your productivity?
cool, right? If you like this video, you can download it by clicking here. Now in the free version of 𝗁𝗯𝗹𝗲, you can generate videos for up to 2 minutes. Not only this, using 𝗁𝗯𝗹𝗲, you can create videos in regional languages like Hindi, Spanish, French, German, and so much more. Okay, so now we have created a video using our AI avatar. And right now, the video seems ordinary. It's just an avatar talking about our content. Now to make it more engaging and interesting for the audience, we can add some effects and transitions to our video like this.
Are you curious about the AI tools that can help you to improve your work and boost your productivity?
So let's go to the final step, which is to edit the video. Now there are many video editing tools available on the internet, but I know a very famous tool called CapCut, which makes editing a whole lot easier. You can add all sorts of effects, transitions, auto-generated subtitles, and more. This is one of my favorite editing tools and it's completely free. Well, it may not be available in certain regions, but don't you worry, you can use a VPN to access it. I've given the link to the VPN that you can use in the description below. So simply turn it on and then download and install CapCut on your computer. Then open it. Now to access all the features of CapCut, you need to make sure that VPN is turned on. Once you're ready to go, click on New Project and it will take you to this page. Now here we need to import our video which we created earlier. So just click here, import the video and then drag and drop it here. You can drag the slider like this to zoom in and see the video better. Once you have done that, we will start editing our video. So first, let's add some effects to the beginning of the video. So just go to effects, then click here and you will get different effects to choose from. I'm going to select opening and closing. You can just choose the one you want. I'll go with this one. So let's click on the plus icon and it will be added here. Now you can adjust the duration of the effects like this. Once you have done that, let's play it and see how it looks.
Are you curious about the AI tools?
You can see that we have the blur effect at the beginning of our video. Next, let's say you want to insert an image in between videos to make it more engaging. So all you have to do is go to Google, search for the image you want, download it to your computer. Once you have the image of the video that you want to add, just go back to this tab, then go to Media, add it here, and then drag and drop onto the track. Let's resize the image like this. Then play it.
It's about the AI tools that can help you to improve your work.
And you can see the image has been added to our video and it looks good. In the same way, you can insert any image or short clip into the video. And if you want, you can also get free stock images or videos from websites like Pexels or Pixabay. Next, let's see how we can add transitions. Just go to transition and here you will get different transitions to choose from. So just select the one you want, then drag it and drop it into your video. And it's done.
Curious about the AI tools?
You can see that the transition has been added. Similarly, you can add different transitions wherever you want. Let's add some sound effects and background music to our video just like this.
Are you curious about the AI tools that can help you to improve your work and boost your productivity?
You can get them from a website called Pixabay. So just go there, then click here, choose sound effects, and here search for the sound effect you want. And you will get different sound effects to choose from. So just play it and select the one you want. And then download it by clicking here. In the same way, you can also get background music. Once you have done that, just go back to CapCut, then upload the sound effects and the background music here. Now one by one, place the sound effects where you want. And by the way, the video will look good when you add sound effects to the transition areas.
Curious about the AI
After that, we will add our background music. And let's check them out.
Are you curious about the AI tools that can help you to improve your work and boost your productivity?
It's pretty great. Once you're done, now finally, let's add subtitles to our video. So just go to text, then go to auto caption, click here, and choose the language you want. I will go with English and click generate. That's it. The subtitles have been added. Okay, so now we have completed editing our video. Now let's play the video and let's see how it looks.
Are you curious about the AI tools that can help you to improve your work and boost your productivity? Because in this video, I'll show you 10 mind-blowing AI tools that can make your life easier and more efficient. With the help of AI, there are now incredible tools available to help you achieve more than ever before. And the best part? They're all free.
Actually, the video has come out really well. Also, the transition and the sound effects are nice too. Now to export the video, just click here and click export. Okay, so now we have successfully created our talking avatar video. Now before we wind up, let me introduce you to 𝗬𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲, a super fast hosting platform that makes launching and building WordPress sites a breeze. With 𝗬𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲, you get a free domain, free SSL, and access to thousands of free themes and plugins. Their drag and drop website builder requires no coding skills. You can create a professional looking site in no time. Plus, if you sign up using the link in the description below, you'll receive an exclusive 10% discount. So if you're looking to create a website, then definitely check out 𝗬𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. Okay, so that's it guys. This is how you can create a talking AI avatar. Now if you're into marketing, there are some cool AI tools that will make your work a whole lot easier. You can check them out by watching this video. And if you're interested in the best AI tools for YouTube videos, then you should watch this video. And if you guys like this video, do give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.